Hello, welcome back. I'm sure you guys like the DU utility, the DF utility, and other disk space of, evaluation tools. But there is one I actually found that may come in handy to you guys. I'm going to put the link down below in the description. But it's called DR Info. Let's check it out. So DR Info, it's really simple. It does only this, and it gives you all the drives. Okay. So this is my command I just typed in. So this gives you all the drives and the available space, all the mounted drives. Okay. So this shows you the mount point, the free space, available space, taken up space, and it's a very simple tool that gives you a very visual information about your drives. For more advanced users, maybe this is not that relevant, but for people that are coming into this world of Linux, this tool can be very handy and can be very simplify your life a lot. So unless you can, of course, you have the disk-free utility, you have the DO utility. I know that, but if you want something more visual and that it gives you a little bit of an immediate information about your drives, your mounted drives, that is, you can actually see all your information there and a little graph that is going to give you a visual representation of things that are occurring, where they are mounted, and all of that great stuff. Let me show you that this also works with network drives. Let me show you that. So let me run my script. Okay, so my scripts, mount sifs. Let me run this as root, of course. Now I have some network drives here, and there we go. I can also see my network drives and where are they mounted, and the taken up space and the available space. The tool is called DR Info, and I'm going to put the link down below. I hope you find this enjoyable. I hope you find this useful. Like, subscribe, comment. It really helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.